Mataji, I think I don't know this one that well.
We will practice today, okay? Asra, can you do the sloka?
श्री भीष्म उवाच इति मतिरुपकल्पिता वृतिष्णा भगवती सत्वता पंगवे विभुम्नि स्वासखमुपागते क्वचित् विहार्तुं प्रकृतिमुपैषि यद्भाव प्रभावः त्रिभुवनकमनं तमालवर्णं रवकरिगौरवरम् अम्बरम् रविकरगौरवर अम्बरं ददने वापूरलाकाकुलरत्ननाब्जां विजयसखेरतिरष्टमेन वद्य युधितुरागराजो विदुम्रविश्वक् कचोलुलिताश्यमवर्य अलङ्कृतश्चे मम निशेतसरेर्विविद्यमान त्वचि विलासत् कवचे अष्टकृष्ण आत्मा सपदि सखिव निशम्य मध्ये निज बलयोरथं निवेश्य स्थितावती रक्षणाय ऋतावती पार्थ सकिरतिर्ममात्सु व्यायवाहितप्रतना मुखं निरीक्ष्य स्वजानवादाद्विमुखाशयदोजबुद्ध्या कुमात्महरदात्मविदाय चरमारति परमस्य तस्य मेस्तु
Hare Krishna
योनिगम् उपायमत् प्रतिजनं व्रतम् अदाकृतम् अवलप्तुरतस्तः धृधारतचरणो अभ्ययच्छलद्गुर् हरेरिव हन्तुमिभं गोतात्रियः सीता विशाखहतो विशीर्णध्वंस क्षताज परिप्लुत अतातयिनो मे प्रशापम् अविश्यशार मद्पदार्थं स भवतु मे भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्दः. Thank you, Asra. Thank you, Balabrinda, for joining. Thank you, Deepak, for joining.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you.
Hare Krishna, Subhadra and Giridhari. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, now who want to go next? Advait. Hare Krishna, Advait.
Mataji, can I go? It's Deepak. Can I go?
Yes, Deepak, yes.
Sitya Viskaha. Hare Krishna Mataji, can you help me? I didn't do this. I joined Bhagavad Gita class, but I didn't.
Yeah, you joined last week. Yeah, I know that you joined last week. You all can repeat after me. Okay, if somebody want to do the sloka, first let them to do, and then we all together do. Janavi want to go.
Mataji, this is Subhadra. Can I go? Mataji, can Subhadra go?
Yes, Janavi want to do, and then Subhadra, and then I heard somebody's name also.
Deepak.
Okay.
Kalpita Vetrishna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vivuni Susam Upakate Kacha Bihatum Pakatam Vihayati
Prakitim Upe, you see.
Pakatam Vihayati
Tribhuvana.
Tribhuvana Kalam Semalavan Navikana Koram Baram Paranadani Puralaka Kulavetana Vijay Sukerati Asmane Navata.
Third, Yudhithira Garaj.
Yudhithira Garajo, Idamnavesha, Vachalalita, Namavalvam Siddhasya, Mamani Shita Sarahe, Vividyamana Janu, Twati Vilashavati, Krishna Atma, Payuva.
Sapati Sakhi.
Apapayo.
Sapati Sakhi.
Sapati Sakhi Vajo, Nisam Namakne,
Madhe.
Nija Paraya Balayoratam, Nivesha, Estitam, Paraya, Sankarakshanat,
Kritavati Par, Sakherati Namastu. Okay, next one is Vevahita. Vevahita Pritana. You all repeat after me, okay? Okay, I know that we already did and I wanted to do. Yes, Subhadra, go ahead.
Finished up one more thing.
Subhadra?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, you can do.
Mataji, can I do all the way to the first one?
Yes, first one, yes.
Shri Bhagavanu Shri Bhishma Vacha Iti Matirupakalpita Vrishna Bhagavati Satata Pungave Vibhumi Swasukam Kwachid Vihartum Prakitim Upayusi Yadbhava Prabhava Tribhubana Kamanam Kamalavarnam Ravikara Gauravaram Varam Dadane Vapura Lakakula Vrityananabjam Vijaya Shakeratirasthu me Navadya Yuditura Garajo Vidumra Vishwak Kachalulita Shramavai Relang Kritasye Mamani Sita Sharir Vividyamanam Kachi Vilashat Kavachestu Krishna Atma Bhavahita Pritam Shapadi Shaki Vacho Nishamamadye Nija Parayor Balayor Atham Nivesha Stitavati Part. Mataji, can I go back to the last slide? Stitavati Para Sainikayu Akshna Ridavati Partha Shakherati Mamastu Bhavahita Pritana Mukham Nireksha Swajanavadat Vimukshayadyo Shabudya Kumati Maradatma Vidayayas Charanarathir Pama Paramasyata Syamestu Swanigamam Bahaya Mat Pratingnam Nitamadhikartum Avapluta Ratastam Dritarata Charana Yagachaladur Hari Ivantumibham Gato Raya. Next one, Mataji. Sita Viksha Hato Vishana Damsha Kshajata Paripluta Atayanto Ome Shabam Avasha Matvadartam Sabhavatume Bhagavan Gati Mukunda.
Thank you so much, Subhadra. Anybody want to try next?
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I go with Deepak?
Deepak, you will repeat after me after some time. I am giving a chance who already know the sloka, okay?
Mataji,
Okay. Prahlad, yes. Prahlad, can you go next?
Okay. Shri Bhishma Vacha Iti Mati Upakalpita Vritrishna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni Swasukam Upagate Kvachid Vihartum Prakritamupayase Yad Bhava Paravaha Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalavarnam Ravikara Gauravaram Varam Dadane Vapuralaka Kulavritananajam Vijayasake Ratirastu Mena Vadya Yudi Duragarajo Vidum Vishvat Kacha Lolita Samavaryadam Kritasye Mamanishita Sarai Vividyamana Tvachi Vilasat Kavachestu Krishna Atma Sapadi Sakivacho Nishamya Madhye Nija Balayor Balayor Atam Niveshya स्थितावतीर्पारशैनिकायो रक्षाना हृतवती भरत सकलतीर्ममस्तु व्यवहिता प्रतना मुकुं निरीक्ष्य स्वाजानवदाद्विमुक्ष्य दोषबुद्धया कुमतिं महारालात्मविद्यायया चरणरति परमस्य तस्य मेस्तु स्वानिगमम् अभयमप्रतिज्ञां रीतमधिकर्तुम् अवप्लुतो रतस्तः धृतरथचरणो व्ययाचलद्गुर्हरिरिवाहन्तुमिवं गतोत्तरीयः सीताभिषेकहतो वृषणतां स शाताय परिप्लुतो अततायिनो मे प्रासादमभिसासारमद्पदार्थं सभावतु मे भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्द. Thank you, Mataji.
Prahlad, can you read 5 sloka English translation, and I'll ask other kids to do English
Did I
translation.
read, did I read 5 of the slokas, the translation?
Yes, from 5 sloka English translation.
Okay, Mataji. Bhishma Dev said, "Let me now invest my thinking, feeling, and willing, which were so long engaged in different subjects and occupational duties, and the all-powerful Lord Sri Krishna. He's always self-satisfied, but sometimes, being the leader of the devotees, he enjoys transcendental pleasure by descending on the material world, although from him only the material world is created. Sri Krishna is the intimate friend of Arjuna. He has appeared on this earth in his transcendental body, which resembles the bluish color of the Tamala tree. His body attracts everyone in the 3 planetary systems, upper, middle, and lower. May his glittering yellow dress and his lotus face, covered with paintings of sandalwood pulp, be the object of my attraction, and may I not desire fruitive results." Is that all, Mataji, or should I read more? Okay, I'll read more. On the battlefield where Sri Krishna attended Arjuna out of friendship, the flowing hair of Lord Krishna turned ashen due to the dust raised by the hooves of the horses. And because of his labor, weeds and sweat wetted his face. Although all these decorations, intensified by the wounds dealt by my sharp arrows, were enjoyed by him. Let my mind thus go on to Sri Krishna. In obedience to the command of his friend, Lord Sri Krishna entered the arena of the battlefield of Kurukshetra between the soldiers of Arjuna and Duryodhana. And while there is shortened the lifespans of the opposite party by his merciful glance, this was done simply by his looking at the enemy. Let my mind be fixed upon that Krishna. When Arjuna was seemingly polluted by ignorance, upon observing the soldiers and commanders before him on the battlefield, the Lord eradicated his ignorance by delivering transcendental knowledge. May his lotus feet always remain the object of my attraction. Okay.
Yes. And this much is okay now. I think
Can Mukund recite?
yes. Mukunda, can we give chance to Madhav and then you do?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, Madhav, can you do?
Say Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Vishnu Uvacha Itimatidupakalpita Vikrishna Bhagavate Satvata Pungavati Pami Vasukamukagade Pajitvihate Trakutinute Hushiye Javastava Sibhuvana Kamanantamalavarnam Gauravambaram dadane Papurana kakuravrtana nabhyam Vijaya sakedati rastume navarya Yudhito the Gaudaja of Nidum the Vishwak कचलुलितस्य आलयं कृतस्य ममचित्तशरैः विद्यमानां विलसत्प्रवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा सपदि सजीव संयमाजे विषफलयोत्पलयोत्तम निवेश चित्रपरिपदस्तैनिकारुदर्शन विजयपरिपास्तवती श्रुतवती पास्तस्य कैरति ममास्तु व्यवहितकृतनामुकं निदर्श्य जनवरात्रिमुखस्य दोषपूज्य कुमतिरमरदा विविधयास्य
Telephone.
Druta Ibam Gato Shita
शीता विशीता है तो
Vishnu
विष्णु दंशा
Shataja
शतज परिप्लुत आत्मता आततथायिनो ने ब्रह्मपि ससार मद्गदातं
Sabhavatu
सद्मतु
Sabhavatu
me
Bhagavan Gate Mukunda
भगवान गते मुकुंदा
Krishna
Hare Krishna.
How old are you, mother?
I'll be 4
I'll be 4
in January.
January.
No reading, mother?
No, Mataji, he doesn't know how to read.
He memorized Hari Bol Madhav.
Very
Job.
nice.
Very, very, very good job.
Thank you, Mataji.
Please send a video, Mataji. We'll post on the Facebook.
Yeah,
He's not-
mother.
He is not allowing to take any videos or
Oh, if he's sitting properly, we can capture this video, but he's not sitting. When he's coming closer to the screen, we can see his face. If
Yeah.
he's properly in the class, that also I can cut and put it on the Facebook, but he's not sitting properly. I mean, like his face is not seen only there. We can't see his face properly.
It's all your inspiration, Mataji. Thank you for this such a wonderful classes, and he's learning from that, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. It's all Anjana Gopika Mataji's mercy. Hari Bol to
Everybody is doing so much, Mataji. Yeah.
Thank you, Mataji.
Mukunda, yes. Mukunda, do you want to go next?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. go
Hare
ahead.
Krishna Mataji. My sister wants to say the
Yes, Mukund, go ahead.
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Shri Bhishma Uvacha Iti Matirupakalpitavedrishna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni Swasukham Upagate Kvachit Vihartam Prakritim Upayosi Yadbhava Pravaha Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalavarnam Ravikara Gauravarabharam Didhane Vapuralaka Kulavritananamsam Vijaya Sakhera Tirastu Me Navadya Yudhitaragrajo Vidham Ravishvak Kachalulita Shamavarya Lankatasya Namani Sita Sharvibhidyamana Tvachi Vilasat Kavachishtu Krishna Atma Sapadi Sakhi Vacho Nishamya Madhye Neja Parayor Valayoratham
निवेश्य स्थितवती पारसैनिकायो रक्षण हृतवती पार्थसैनिका सखेरतिर्ममस्तु यवाहिता प्रतिना मुखं निरीक्ष्य स्वजानवधान्मुखस्य दोषबुद्ध्या कुमातिमहरद् आत्मविद्यायास् चरणहृतिः परमस्य तस्य मेस्तु स्वनिगमम् अपहायामत्प्रतिज्ञं ऋतम् अधिकर्तुम् अवप्लुतो रथस्थः रथाचरणोऽव्यययाचलद्गुर् हरिरेव हन्तुम् एवं गतो तरीया सीताविषिकहतो विशीर्णदंसा क्षताज परिप्लुतोरअततायिनो मे प्रसभमभिशसरमद्वदर्थं स्वभावतु मे भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्द Hare Krishna Mataji.
Kunda, can you read the translation till here? I think from 9 or no, from here. Yeah.
Yes, Mataji. In obedience to the command of his friend, Lord Shri Krishna entered the arena of the battlefield of Kurukshetra between the soldiers of Arjuna and Duryodhana. And while there was this, he shortened the lifespans of the opposite party by his merciful glance. He was done simply by looking at the enemy. Let my mind be fixed upon that Krishna. When Arjuna was seemingly polluted by ignorance upon observing the soldiers and commanders before him on the battlefield, the Lord eradicated by his ignorance by delivering the transcendental knowledge. May his lotus feet always remain the object of my attraction. Fulfilling my vow and sacrificing his own promise, he got down from the chariot, took up its wheel, and ran towards me hurriedly, just as a lion goes to kill an elephant. He even dropped his outer garment on the way. May he, Lord Shri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, for world salvation, be my ultimate destination. On the battlefield, he charged me as if angry because of the wounds dealt by my sharp arrows. His shield was scattered and his body was smeared with blood due to the wounds. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Samskriti, do you want to go? And Brinda also, she didn't get chance. After Samskriti, Brinda go and then we'll do the sloka, okay? I know Deepak, others who are not knowing, they can also follow, okay? Yes, Samskriti.
श्रीभीष्मोवाच इति मतेरुपकल्पितवृत्तृष्णा भगवती सात्वता पुङ्गवे विभूमि सोऽसुखमुपगत वाचिपि हर्तुं प्रकृतिमुपयसि यद्भवा प्रवाह त्रिभुवनकमनं तमालवर्णं रविकरगौरवरं ददाने वापुरलोककुलरीतनाञ्जं विजय सखेरतिरस्तु मे अनुवाद्य युदितुरगर्जो विदुम्रविश्वा वाचालुलिता समवाय अलङ्कृतस्य मामानिशीता सदैर्विविद्यमाना त्वाची विलासत् कवचिस्तु कृष्णात्मा सपदि सखी वाचो निशम्य मध्ये निजाय प्रयोर्बलयोरतं निविश्य स्थितावती परसक्षणा
रीतावती पार्थ सखेरतिर्ममस्तु देवाहितप्रीतना
मुकुन्द नित्या
नवदात् विमुक्ष्य
दोषबुद्धया कुमाति
आत्माभितयाया
चरणारतेर्परमस्य
Paramasya tasya mestu.
I think I only know till there.
Really, it's okay. You can practice after when I'm telling the sloka, okay? Okay, now Balavrinda, do you want to go next?
Yes, Mataji. I want to put the video again.
Yes, you are waiting. You are waiting since long time. Thank you so much. Yes, you can go.
Thank you, Mataji.
Start. Shri Bhishma.
Shri Bhishma Uvasha Iti Madhiruva Kalvida Vitrishna Bhagavadi Vibhumne Surugam Ubagate Kwachit Vihatum Prakuldeo Peyusi Bhava Pravaha
Tribhuvana.
Tribhuvana Kamalam Tamanavar Ravi Dadane Vabulavritana Vijayasa it is the scroll Vijayasa Garadirazume Avanya Yuri Turagarajo Vidum Raveshwar Kachalolidanamavan Vidasye Mamanudirajaye Vividyamana Vachiviradagavajelume Nanma Sapari Jakrivajo Visamnyamanye Nija Balayo Balayo Rana Nivesha Sita Balayo Sairikayo Rakshana Nija Balayo
Ritavati pata sakeratir mamastu.
Ratana Animation Pradana Kima Surarada Vijanaya Naradi Balama Jadatyamistu Sanigamapa Janagmadenya Samhati Pandas Srirage Mamasto Ritarata Charano Yarachatar Gur Hari Nirano Vima No Chariya Sainikayo
Can you help her in the first line, Mataji?
Sita visikahato visirnadamsa.
Can you tell this one? You know this one?
Sita visikahato. Last week, yes?
Yeah, she don't know this one, Mataji. Maybe she need to practice this one.
Okay. Okay, I just want to give the chance. We have two tune because we already two sloka is remaining.
Can I please go?
Yes, you can go. Yeah, Deepak also can go. We will do the sloka. Both tune will do today, okay? Because some kids is doing a different tune, some kids is doing different tune. We go first that regular this one just Brinda did, and then next tune also will go, okay? Okay, can you all repeat after me? Because Deepak wanted to do since long time, and other kids also is there who is not getting chance. I know Advait is there, and then Who is there? Deepak. I don't know who is one. Whose name is one? They put the name one. I don't know who is that. What?
Janavi.
Zanavi, they are with only I am joining. They are here only. No, this is not Zanavi. Zanavi is here. Yes. Yeah, I will call Zanavi. Okay, you repeat all. You all repeat after me. Sri Visma Vatsa.
Visi Vilsya Matsa.
Okay. Somebody's echo is coming. Okay. Echo is coming. Okay. Iti mati rupa kalpita vitrishna.
Iti
Oh, somebody's echo is coming, Mataji.
Mukund, your phone has problem. It's giving lot of echo. When you are on your microphone, it's going to be big sound. Can you check, Mukund? Yeah, Mataji, you continue now, Mataji.
Okay. Iti mati rupa. Yeah, it's still the echo is coming. Somebody's, I think they are joining from 2 device. Is anybody joining from 2 device? Can you close one, mute one device? I think because of that only it's happening.
Hare Krishna Mataji, I'm only using one device.
Iti mati rupa kalpita vitrishna.
Iti Tilaka Vitrishna
Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni.
Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni
So Sukhamupagate Kvachit Vihartum.
So Sukhamupagate Vachit Vihartum
Prakitim Upeyusi Yad Bhava Pravaha.
Prakritimupeyusi Yadvad Brava Pravaha
Tribhuvanakamanam Tamalavarnam.
Tribhuvanakamanam Tamalavarnam
Ravikaragambaram Dadane.
Ravikaragambaram Dadane
Talakakulavritananabzam.
Vapuraloka Kulavetananjam
Jaya Sakera Tirastu Me Anavadya.
Vijaya Sakera Tirastu Me Navadya
Yudi Turagarajo Bidumraviswa.
Yudituragarajo Vidumraveshwa
Vachadulita Samvaryalanvitasye.
Vachalurita Sankritasye Manishita Sarai Vidyamanam
Krishna
Sajivilasat Atma.
Sapadi sakhi bajani samyamate.
Sapadi Saki Vacha Nisamyamaje.
Nija parayar balayoratam nivesya.
Tejapayor Balayoratam Ya.
Laksana.
Nataji, your voice is really low. We can't hear you.
Now?
It's kind of still low.
Okay, 1 second. I'll join from the phone. Okay, sometime my phone happens like that.
Mataji,
Yes.
Deepak's microphone is very, very high.
Okay. I'll join from the phone. 1 second.
Whose microphone?
Mataji, your microphone is really low.
Lift
Now
me.
it's okay. Is it okay now?
It's kind of better now, Mataji, but it's still really low.
Okay, now it's okay.
Yes, Mataji, now it's okay.
1470.
Can you not talk while in the class? If you are talking, please mute your phone, okay? Sapadi sakhi bajo ni samyamade.
Sabati kayo.
Saki Vacha Nisamyamaje.
Nija parayor balayoratam nivesya.
Nisapayor Balayoratam Esha.
Estitavati para sainikayuraksana.
Rita.
Ritavati pata sakeratir mamastu.
Ritavati Parta Sake Rati Mamastu.
Bevahita pritana mukam niriksha.
Bhavahita Pritana Mukham Nireksha.
So janavadat vimuksya dosabodhya.
Shajanavadad Vimuksha Shabodya.
Kumati maradatma vidyayas.
Kumati Maradatma Vidayayas.
Narati paramasya tasya mestu.
Charanarati Paramasya Testu.
Sonigamamapahaya mat pratignam.
Swanigamamahaya Mat Pratigna.
Ritamadhikartumavapluto rathasta.
Ritamadhikartum avapluto hasta.
Dhritarata charano abhyayachaladgur.
Dhritarata charana Vyagata chalatkur.
Haririvahantumibam gatotariya.
Harivahantum gato sariya.
चित्तविशिखाहतो विशीर्णदंसा
Sita Vikashahato Vishintadamsha
शतजा परिप्लुतो तायिनो मे
Sajata Paripluta Atanyo Yome
प्रसवम् अवीसा सारमद्वदार्थम्
Prasavamavisaramatvedam
प्रसवम् अवीसा सारमद्वदार्थम्
Prasavamabhisasar
स्वभवेतु मे भगवान् गतिर् मुकुन्दा
Savavatu me Bhagavan Gatir Mukunda.
Thank you so much. Now another tune, go regular tune, because when we do learn this tune, it's very easy to memorize the sloka. Okay. Sri Vishwavacha
Shri Bhishma Vacha Bhishma Vacha
Iti Matirupakalpita Vitrishna
Iti Mati Rupakalpata Krishna
Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni
Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni
So Sukham Upagate Kvachit Vihartum
So Sukam Upagate Vachiti Hartum
Prakriti Yusi Yadbhava Pravaha
Prakriti Mupayati Pravaha
Tribhuvanam Tamalavarnam
Kamanam Tamalavarnam
Ravikaraga
Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. Can I drop off?
Yes.
Thank you.
Ravikaragambaram
Bye.
Tribhuvana Kamanam Dadane
Vapuralaka kulavritananaptam
Vapuralaka Kulavritananabhyam
Vijaye sakerati rastu me anavadya
Jaya Sakirastu Mena Anavadya Navadya
Yudi turagarajo vidumra vispak
Turagarajo Vidumna Vishwa
Vacha lulita sramavaryalankritasye
Rita Shumaya Lakritasye
Mama nisita sarair vividyamana
Mama Nishita Vidyamana
Swachi vilasat kavachestu krishnatma
Vachi Vilasat Kavachestu Krishnayatma
Sapadi sakhi vacho nisamya madhye
Sakhi Vacho Samamade
Nija parayor buddhayoratham nivesya Nija parayor balayoratham nivesya
Nija Prayor
Istitavati para sainikayoraksana
Itavati Parasanikayurakshana
Ditavati pata sakheratirmamastu
Itavati Parasanikayurakshana
Evahita pritanamukam niriksha
Vyabhita Pritana Mukham Niriksha
रोजानवदात् विमुक्ष्य दोषबुद्ध्या रोजानवदात् विमुक्ष्य दोषबुद्ध्या. Are you there?
Vajanavadadvimuksha dosha buddhya.
Kumate maranatma vidyayas
Kumatim maradana vidayayas.
Taranarati paramasya tasya mestu.
Charanarati paramasya tasya mestu.
So nigamamapahaya mat pratignam
Sonigamamapahaya mat pratignam.
Ritamadikartumavapluto rathasta.
Ritam madhikartumavapluta rathasta.
Ritarata charana apyayat salatkur.
Dhritarata charana
Apyayat salatkur.
avyayat chalatkur.
Haririvahantum ivam gatottariya.
Haririvahantum ibham gathottariya.
Gita visakahato visirnadamsa.
Shita vikashahata vishinadamsha.
Damsa chhyata zaparipluto.
Chata paripluto.
Ata taino me.
Atataino me.
Prasavam avisasara. Prasavam avisasara. Mat padartham. Sa bhavatu me bhagavan gatir mukunda. Okay, today we'll do today's sloka. You all can repeat after me, ode by ode. We'll go to the ode by ode, and then after that we'll go to the translation and we'll come to the sloka. Okay, it's already late today. Okay, Vijaya Arjun. Are you hearing me? Haribol.
Yes, Mataji.
Can you all repeat after me?
Yes.
Next, today's sloka, 39 sloka. After that, 2 more sloka will be remaining. Okay. Vijaya Arjuna. Ratha chariot. Kutumba, the object of protection at all risks.
Kutumba, the object of protection of all risks.
Kutumbe, here Kutumbe it says, okay. Atatotre, with a whip in the right hand.
With a
With a whip in the right hand.
Rita Haya, controlling the horses.
Rita Hare, controlling the horses.
horses.
Rasamini, ropes.
Rasamini, the ropes.
Tatsriya, beautifully standing.
Asriya, beautiful stand.
What is it? Tatsriya, okay, Ixaniye, to look at.
Dictionary
To look at.
Unto the personality of Godhead.
Bhagavati
onto the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Rati astu, let my attraction be.
Let my attraction be.
May my Mumurso, one who is
Mumursa, one who is about to die.
Yam upon who. Here in this world.
In this
world.
Niriksha, by looking. Atha, those who died.
Died.
Gata attained
Gacha attained
Swarupam original form.
Swarupam original form.
Go to the translation, okay?
Miss Mataji, can I read the translation?
Yes, you can read the translation. Like this?
Yes.
Yes.
At the moment of death, let my unlimited attraction be to Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead. I concentrate with my mind upon the chariot driver of Arjuna, who stood with a whip in his right hand and a bridle rope in his left, who with very careful to give protection to Arjun's chariot by all means. Those who saw him on the battlefield of Kurukshetra attain their original forms after death.
Okay. Here, Bhisma Dev is praying, at the moment of death, let my ultimate attraction be to Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead. I concentrate my mind upon the chariot driver of Arjuna, who stood with a whip in his right hand and a bridle rope in his left, who was very careful to give protection to Arjuna's chariot by all means. Those who saw him at the battle of Kurukshetra attain their original form after death. I will ask one question because to all of you, I mean, how are the enemies who are, because Krishna is all merciful. Yes, everybody knows Krishna is all merciful. If he is all merciful, how the all the enemies, who doesn't like Krishna, they can get the mercy? Do anybody know how the who doesn't like Krishna, they also get the mercy? Who don't like Krishna, who never like Krishna. Only Krishna says, I will give the protection to my devotees. Asra. Okay, I need a charger. Can you give me the charger?
Mataji, I think I know the answer.
Yes.
Because they died in the hand, or because they died in front of him, or
Who is saying?
Gayatri.
Karthik. Yes, Karthik. Tell me. Uttarpati side.
I said Gayatri.
Gayatri. Yes, Gayatri. Tell me, Gayatri.
Maybe because they saw him while dying.
Yes, even though who are like Sisupal was the enemy of Krishna. Yes, even Kamsa, he is the enemy of Krishna, because even though they are not favorably, means who are not doing Krishna bhakti so nicely, but they are always thinking of Krishna. By doing this, they will also get the blessing of Krishna. Means Krishna is so merciful. If somebody is thinking Krishna continuously, in that case also they will get delivered. Just like here, Bhisma Devi is telling, because he wanted his all attraction at the time of death. He wanted his all attraction at the lotus feet of Krishna. But how he can do? He was thinking about the chariot driver of Arjuna. While Mahabharat was happening, that Maruti Yuddha was happening, Krishna became the chariot driver of Arjuna, and then that same form he is thinking about in this situation, and he wanted to become this same kind of thinking. He wanted to focus that same form. Yes, and then not only he's thinking, everybody he's telling, Bhisma Devi is telling, everybody will get mercy. Because why? Because if somebody die before Krishna, they will all get liberation. Even though they were not in the side of Pandavas, most of the people who are fighters, warriors, they were against the Pandus or Krishna. They were the side of Duryodhan. Even though they were side of the Duryodhan, they will die in front Krishna. While Mahabharata is going on, Krishna will be there. Yes, Krishna would be there, and then everybody they died in front Krishna. That's why they all got the liberation. Bhishma Devi is talking. Okay. That's why even sometime if they are not devotee of Krishna, but if they have a chance to see Krishna while dying, they also get liberation. But devotee, the special things is devotee go Krishna's place, just like Vaikuntha, Golokadham, Dwarakadham, Krishna's original place. But this demon, they will only get the liberation. They can only go to the Brahma Jyotiriyas, Krishna's effulgence. They cannot go to back to Godhead. They cannot go to Golakha Vrindavan. They cannot go to Vaikuntha Dham. But devotee only go to the Krishna's planet, and demons they will remain in the Krishna's effulgence. But they will go get out from this material world. They also get the liberation. That's why Abhisma is telling. We'll go to the sloka. Okay, fast. Vijaya Ratha.
Vijayarata
Vijayarata Kutumba. Vijayarata Kutumba Attatotre.
Vijayarata Kutumba Atratotre.
Vijayarata Kutumba Attatotre.
Vijayarata Kutumba Atratotre.
Hayarasmini.
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 Vas. Hayarasmini.
Hayarasmini.
Tvachireksineya.
Takshireshenya.
Twach.
Twak.
Eksaniye.
Kriyeshanishe.
Eksaniye.
Kriyeshaniye.
Rita Hayarasmini.
Dita Harashmini.
Twachri Eksani.
Takshireshani.
Vitayarata Kutumba.
Ditaya Hatarashimba.
Attatotre.
Ataklatre.
Rita Hayarasmini. Rita Hayarasmini.
Tita Harashmini.
Rita Hayarasmini.
Chita Hayakshalakshmini.
Rita Hayarasmini. Rita Hayarasmini. Twas Sri Eksaniye. Twas Sri Eksaniye. Twas
Twak.
Eksaniye.
Cheshaniye.
Vijayarata Kutumba Attatotre.
Vijayata Ratha Kutumba Atatotre.
Hayarasmini.
Drita Haralakshmini.
Swasri Eksaniye.
Pakshikshaniye.
Bhagavate Ratirastu.
Bhagavati Ratirastu.
Bhagavate
Bhagavati Ratirastu Me Mamastur
Vijayarata Kutumba Asa Totre
Vijayarata
Sita Hayarasmi Tasviyakshaniye
Dreta
Bhagavate Ratirastu Me Mumurshor
Bhagavati Ratur Me Maroshur
Bhagavate Ratirastu Me Bhagavate Ratirastu Me Mumurshor
Bhagavati Rastu Me Mamoshur
Niriksha
Niriksha
Ata Niriksha
Yam Hiriksha
Atagata Sorupam
Hatagata Sorupam
Atagata Sorupam.
Hatagata Sorupam
Okay, one more time we'll do the sloka and anybody want to try it. Vijayarata Kutumba Atma Totre
Vijaya Ratha Kutumba Atatotre
Rita Hayarasmiri Twakshaniye
Drita Hayata
Asmini Twas Sriyeksaniye Twas Sriyeksaniye
Bhagavati Rati Astu Me Mamoshur
Niriksha Hatagata Sorupam
Yam Hinileksha Hatagata Sorupam
Anybody want to try this sloka?
Mataji, can Jagdish go?
Yes, Jagdish.
Can you help me, please?
Yes. Vijayarata Kutumba
Vijaya Ratha Kutumba
Atatotre
Atatotre
Trita Hayarasmini
Dita Hayarasmini
Tatsriyeksaniye
Tachikshani
Bhagavati Ratirastu
Bhagavati Ratirastu
Me Mumurshor
Me Mamashur
Yam I Niriksha
Yam Hi Niriksha
Yam Iha Niriksha Yam Iha Niriksha
Yam I Haniriksha
Atagata Sorupam.
Hatha Gata Sarupam.
So much. Anybody want to try?
Can I try?
Yes, we'll do a different tune. Who want to try? Gayatri?
Yeah.
Yes, Gayatri, go ahead.
Vijayarata Kutumba Atatotre Trita Hayarasminita Kriyakshaniya
Sri Eksaniya.
Shri Yakshaniya Bhagavati Ratir Astume Umursor Yam I Haniriksha Hatagata Swarupam.
Thank you. It's very nice, Gayatri. We'll do next tune, okay? Bijayarata Kutumbatra Totre. Yeah, I am also getting Vijayarata Kutumbatra Totre. Nice. Yeah.
repeat it.
Vijaya Ratha Kutumba
Vijayatha Kutumba
Atatotre
Atatotre
Vitahaya Rasmini
Dritahayashin Rasmini
Vasriyaksaniye
Takshiyakshaniye
Bhagavati Ratirastu
Bhagavati Ratirastu
Me Mumurso
Me Mamosar
Yam Iha Niriksha
Yam Hina Niriksha
Atagata Sorupam.
Hatha Gata Sarupam.
Okay, thank you. You will send both recording. You can practice, and next week again we will go. Okay, only we have 2 more sloka of this Bhishma prayers, and then we will finish and we will practice both tune. Okay, thank you all the kids for joining. Nicely learning.
निवासिन्दुभ्य एव च परिदानां भावनुभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you.
Thank you, Anjana Gopika Mataji.
Thank you, Anjana Gopika Mataji.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Anjana Gopika Mataji ki jai. Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.